Sangameshwar, assistant professor from CSC. Today I am acting as a interviewer for Miss Dharani, Music Ma girl. We will listen her experience in the placement as well as her experience in the Geetam Bangalore campus. Yourself and tell me your experience.
I have a lot of memories actually, sir. To begin with, when I came to Geetam at the starting, that was my first being in hostel. So I was a bit scared. I thought missing family, more of emotions and a lot of drama actually. Like we don't know actually people whom we are gonna meet and how they'll behave and how we are gonna be and how our relationship will be with them. So కొంచెం struggle అయ్యాను starting లో, and then I got set. It was like every friends are turning into a family. Like I'm making a family here. It was like that. So Geetam is like completely like my what do you call a mixture of emotions. Like lot of emotions, lot of memories, lot of everything. Like I wish I could come back there and again be with you all and spend my time. So that's it. And actually placements, if I come according to placements, it is like until third year, no sir, I didn't have any thing like I should like succeed in my life and like I have to take my responsibility. That's my responsibility. I have to go in it and I have to work on it. And I didn't have anything much about it. I didn't even plan about it. When second year started and ended and third year began, I was like, so what am I doing with my life? Like how should I improve? How should I like really get into it? And how should I get placed in a very good company? Like Musicma is one of my dream companies, sir. Like in Musicma we actually get like we also can take care of our career as well as our dreams also together. So it has been really good to get placed in Musicma, and Musicma is one of my like I would say it is an achievement at the beginning of the fourth.
What was the first thought when you joined to the Geetam? How you spend first 6 months in the first semester? Because that is the age you directly coming to the intermediate, right? So that experience you share with those experience. How you make a friend? Because when you are coming, all are new people, right? So they tell me any interesting story about that. So it is very good to listen from you.
There is no such kind of story, sir, but like starting 6 months was really a struggle for me. I would admit it. It was my first time of hostel. So like living my family and being in Geetam and like a lot of change from being in home and turning out being in a hostelite. It is a complete change for me. So I would say it's a lot of mixture of emotions, and I would say that it was a great start for me actually, and to get to know things and how should I be strong enough to face all the situations at one go. So it was like that for me. Like that I started and I made really good friends over there.
First friend in Geetam?
My first friend, like I have my benchmates first of all. So first friend when like yeah, best friend is Manisha.
Coming to the department, computer science, what is your first thought?
Actually in first sem, like HOD sirs and other people came into class and they were like, CSE is like this, CSE is like this, you have to learn a lot of coding, you have to be very quick in everything, you have to know a lot of logics and so on so stuff. I was like scared, seriously, should I do all this stuff? I don't know anything, like what? Like it was like that completely. My mind was like fully blank, like I couldn't do anything. And slowly everything got started and I kick-started my learning coding over there. So it was like a kind of encouragement. Like Geetam is a place where like teachers are really supportive, sir. I would agree to it. I would completely agree to it. Like more than students, teachers take more responsibility in building a student's career. So that's the main thing I love about Geetam. Like teachers are like phenomenal.
Tell me about when you are entering the third year, what are changes you got from there? Because the engineering 4 years, every step is the important. When you are in the first year, some changes will come. Once you are coming to the department, so some changes. When you are entering the third year, what are the changes you came to know that?
So it's third year is a complete change for me. Like I would say that like third year is the only time when I thought that like I should take my responsibility in building my career. I should be responsible first of all. I should work hard for it to get something. To get something, I should work hard for it, and to work hard also, I should know which steps I have to take step by step. Then only I'll reach certain goal. So third year was the decision phase for me. So it was really hard, but I took it in a good manner and I finished it completely. So in third year, it was like completely like you should be avoiding some. You should be giving space to yourself so that you'll ensure that you're doing some good to yourself and building your career. So third year was like that. It is a decision making phase. It was for me.
One thing I want to ask you, Dharni, because you are completed, right? So,
Yes.
what you thought in the third year, it should be the for junior. It is obviously for some suggestions for the junior also. What you comes in your mind? This should be we have to learn in third year. So it will be very good. So it coming in when you're going to the fourth year, because lot of things theoretically part will be not there in the fourth year. But what do you suggest so for your juniors? So in the third year, they have to learn this particular subject or anything as your senior.
So I would suggest is like that for juniors. Like third year is a phase where it'll be like more of friends. They'll be even building up crushes, love. Lot of things will be happening in their life. So keeping all that apart, I'm being frank, keeping all that apart. So it's a third year where you take up your stand for yourself. Like you should be responsible first of all. Like your parents are keeping so much money on you, and your teachers are struggling for you one side, and you're doing nothing, just chit-chatting with your friend and just enjoying your life. To enjoy life, you'll have after getting job, you can do whatever you want. Nobody will question you, or nobody will ask you anything. So first of all, get that and make sure that everything is right. Do not break your relationships with anyone. Friends are important. Everyone is important in life. So just like it's time to decide like what I should do and how I should make a move so that I'll achieve something good for myself. So it was that's the only suggestion I would give to juniors. Just they have to believe in yourself, and just they have to make sure that belief is there. So I can trust myself, I can work hard, I can do it. That's it.
How you done your placement preparations?
Sir, actually in third year it all started, sir, to be frank. In second year ending, it was like turning phase. Like it was like placement department took a really good step in like encouraging students. Yes, you can do it, and they gave a lot of help to us. They gave books, they provided everything, they gave necessary teaching, they gave all things which is required from a basic placement department. They gave everything more than expected. So it's now like whatever they do, it's all depends finally on us. So how we take it, how we prepare according to it. So I was like, in my room we made a group of people. So at night after having dinner or before having dinner, we used to sit together and prepare. Like we would say, take a certain topic today, and we would sit according to that. So just sometimes it would be boring for us. Sometimes it would be like let's watch a movie or something like that. But we would make sure that at least it is not postponed to some other day. So we'd make sure that we would complete at least the requirement of certain topic. So we would make sure that everything is completed on time. So that's how we prepared seriously a certain period of time until like everything happened properly. Like we got placed and so and so. So it was like every day at least 1 hour we would sit on it, sir. Like it may be going to a chit chat or whatever thing, but we would sit.
Programming easy na? Then chadvala adi. I know. Programming ante they will run. So
Me too.
You also. So మీకు ఎలా అనిపించింది?
Sir, I started with the basics. Like even though we had topics in second year and first year, when it came to a really time when placements time I really started working on it. Like basics నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేశాను. Like మనకి ఒక కంపెనీకి వెళ్ళాలంటే we should have some we should know if it is a program. In case of programming, it's all about logic, sir. I would say it's only logic. Like if you know the logic, you can do it the program. It's like that. So I started with the basics. Nikhil helped me in doing it. So he's a very good programmer, and I started learning from him. It was like he taught me how to build on the logic and how to do it things, how really program works, how we can interact with the system actually. So it is completely like that. So programming ante like just you should know the basics and you should know the logic, how to apply in a program. According to me, that's how I learned programming.
How you prepared for the Mu Sigma, because you are only one this company you placed. So share me about this Mu Sigma placement drive experience.
Sir, Mu Sigma is completely about learning, sir. It is completely about learning. It's how you learn, how you apply to it, and how you get solved to the problem. So before like I got into Mu Sigma, I just studied about the company, how company really works, how it is really like to get into any company particularly, we should know about the company, what are the requirements they are expecting from us. So I just studied about it, like Mu Sigma మన నుంచి ఏం ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తుంది. Mu Sigma mainly focus on learning capacity, sir. Are you able to learn something? So it is completely like that, Mu Sigma.
Any company is coming, we have to know about that company. That's
yes, exactly. Exactly.
Yeah, any company is coming or attempting, you have to know. That's what they will do the pre-placement talk.
Pre-placement talk is really important. Really important.
Memories you have in Geetham?
Lot of memories. I would say like lot of memories, sir. It's like too much, and I miss them a lot. I just wish I could change the time and just go back to my days. It's a lot of memories.
Seeing your Instagram and all those things, you are doing painting. Can you show us any good paintings if you've done?
This is my very first mandala which I've done. So like this is the another one.
Okay.
This is one more. So like
Company specific you are learning now?
yes, sir. I'm doing courses, lot of courses actually. Like Geetham has provided Coursera. So I mean, it is easy for us. It gave a really good discount for us. So I'm making use of it. So I'm learning, doing paintings, watching movies, and also I'm getting certified in everything. So it's going like that, my days. I'm like enhancing my skills every day to get better.
Any suggestions you want to give who are there in the final years and who are there join the Geetham? So any from your side?
My side నేను ఏం చెప్తానంటే keep your trust in teachers అంతే సార్. like teachers really take good care of students. Like they work hard to make you get succeed. For who are coming to Geetham వాళ్ళకి ఇది. So who are in 4th year, do not lose hope. You're doing great. So just keep motivating yourself and you'll achieve it అంతే.
How important you are doing the project in final year?
In final year, it is for project. It is 8 credits, so no one wants to lose it. So everyone wants to work hard on it. So I've got a fabulous guide actually. So he's very supportive. He's very cooperative. He gives us chances. Even if we do mistake, he says, "Okay, I'm there. Don't worry. I'm there. I'm there." So we actually miss our guide. So it's like that.
Okay.
Like you're getting a proper support system for yourself.
So when you're doing the final year project, it helps you in the placement?
Sure, sir. Sure. It helps you enhancing you. When you do some project, you learn something. So that learning helps you in cracking some interviews. So it's all like that.
Where you will see after 10 years?
10 years.
Yeah.
Sure. 10 years. నేను ఏం చెప్తాను. 10 years అయితే
ఏంటి
మా ఇంట్లో వాళ్ళు మాత్రం నన్ను 10 ఏళ్ళ వరకు ఇట్లా పెట్టారు. నన్ను ఒక పెళ్లి చేసి ఇచ్చి పంపించేస్తారు. సో దట్స్ ఫర్ షూర్. And 10 years, sir, actually, to be frank, I really want to get succeeded. నాకు ఒక మంచి బిజినెస్ రన్ చేయాలండి. We have thoughts, we have team. So we're trying to put up on, we are working on some good business. So అది kick start అయి successful అయితే మాత్రం it will be a good blast. So I would say that I would really become a successful businesswoman.
Thank you, Dharani.
Thank you.
Nice to talk with you. You shared your experience.